Hello guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to repair this air dryer. Okay, but before that I'm going to show you the parts of this air dryer. So for this air dryer we have the heating element, the fan motor, and then after the fan motor we have the switch for the fan for low and high fan. That is the switch. Okay, so the next one is the switch for the heater. We have two switch there for low and high temperature. So this heater, we have problem here, this nichrome wire. You can see that nichrome wire, the nichrome wire are broken. So this one we are going to repair. Okay, so aside from being an instrument technician here, so this is my hobby here. Part of my job is repairing some small appliances. Okay, so after we found that there is problem in the nichrome wire because this is for the heating element, so to repair this one we need to prepare a small bolts and nuts. So as you could see, this bolt and nut we are going to put it there so that we can fasten this broken wire. Okay guys, so now we already finished. So this is the connections that I have told you. So now we will box it up and test the unit. Okay, can you press high? Okay. Now the bottom one, yeah, that's for the heater. Reduce the speed. Press, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.